Hello everyone. Are you also a working person and do not get time to take care of yourself in winters? So I have a perfect solution for this. For this special recipe, I am using Ariga Foods dry fruits and seeds. Let's start. I am taking some Ariga Food cashews. Take some almonds. I am also adding some mixed seeds. Roast them on medium flame. Let it cool down. You can add dry fruits and nuts of your choice. I like Ariga Foods dry fruits and nuts. They are very good. Grind it and make a fine powder. You can consume this powder in many ways. I like to mix it with a hot glass of milk. It makes the milk more tasty and healthy. You can also store this dry fruit powder in an airtight container and use it up to 10 to 15 days. तो कैसा लगा आपको मेरा आइडिया? टेस्टी भी और हेल्दी भी. ज़रूर ट्राई कीजिएगा विंटर्स में. थैंक यू.